In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam no connection error quickly and easily. This is a common problem where Steam opens but can't connect to the servers, preventing you from accessing your library, downloading games, or using online features. The good news is that in most cases, this issue can be fixed in just a few minutes using a few simple steps. I'll walk you through each solution so you can get Steam working again without reinstalling anything complicated. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Steam on your computer. If you're seeing the no connection error message, don't worry, we're going to start with one of the most effective fixes, which is clearing the Steam download cache. This refreshes Steam's connection settings and often resolves connection issues instantly. To do this, click on Steam in the top left corner of the application, then go to Settings. Inside the Settings window, select the Download section from the sidebar. Here you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Click on that button and confirm the action. Steam will restart and ask you to sign in again. Once you log back in, check if the connection error has been resolved. If the issue is still happening, the next thing you should try is restarting your internet router and your PC. Network glitches are a very common reason Steam cannot connect to its servers. Simply power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. After that, restart your computer as well. Once both devices are back online, open Steam again and see if the connection works properly. Another important thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy service. While these tools can be useful for privacy, they sometimes interfere with Steam's connection to its servers. If you currently have a VPN or proxy enabled, temporarily disable it and then relaunch Steam. In many cases, this immediately fixes the no connection error. And that's it. Those are some of the easiest and most effective ways to fix the Steam no connection error and get back to your games. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.